Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating cities in Netherlands, Amsterdam. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Amsterdam, the capital city of the Netherlands, is a vibrant and captivating destination that seamlessly blends history with modernity. Known for its picturesque canals, historic buildings, and world-class museums, Amsterdam offers something for every traveler. With a rich and storied past, Amsterdam played a vital role in shaping European history. From its origins as a small fishing village in the 12th century to its prominence as a trade hub during the Dutch Golden Age, the city's historical significance is evident in its distinctive architecture and cultural heritage. Amsterdam's architectural landscape is a feast for the eyes. The city boasts a unique mix of architectural styles, ranging from the classic Dutch Renaissance buildings to the innovative structures of the modern era. Taking a stroll along the streets of Amsterdam is like embarking on an open-air museum tour. Amsterdam is a haven for culture enthusiasts. The city is home to an array of world-class museums, including the iconic Rijksmuseum, which houses masterpieces by Dutch masters such as Rembrandt and Vermeer. Other notable cultural institutions include the Van Gogh Museum, Anne Frank House, and the Stedelijk Museum, offering a diverse range of art, history, and thought-provoking exhibits. Dubbed the Venice of the North, Amsterdam's intricate network of canals is a testament to the city's engineering prowess and historical significance. Constructed in the 17th century for defense, water management, and trade purposes, these canals are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a beloved symbol of Amsterdam. Exploring Amsterdam's canal belt is an absolute must-do for visitors. Whether by boat or on foot, meandering through the charming canal-lined streets offers a glimpse into the city's soul. Admire the elegant canal houses, visit the picturesque bridges, and soak in the enchanting atmosphere that makes Amsterdam truly unique. No visit to Amsterdam is complete without indulging in the delicious delights of traditional Dutch cuisine. From hearty dishes like stampo, mashed potatoes with vegetables, and erutensoep, split pea soup, to sweet treats like stroopwafels, syrup-filled waffles, and poffertjes, mini pancakes, the city offers a range of culinary delights that will please any palate. Food markets and culinary hotspots abound in Amsterdam, offering a diverse array of dining options. Explore the lively Albert Kuip market to sample local street food or head to De Piep neighborhood, known for its trendy cafes and international cuisine. For the adventurous foodies, a visit to the Foodalen, a converted tram depot turned food hall, is a must. Amsterdam's vibrant food scene caters to all tastes and budgets, ensuring that both food enthusiasts and casual diners can savor the city's culinary delights. So, be sure to come hungry and leave with a satisfied palate. Art has always been at the heart of Amsterdam's vibrant culture. From the Golden Age masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer to modern icons like Van Gogh and Mondrian, the city has been a breeding ground for artistic genius. The influence of art can be seen in every corner of Amsterdam, from its stunning architecture to its bustling galleries and museums. No trip to Amsterdam is complete without immersing yourself in its world-class art scene. Start with the iconic Van Gogh Museum, which houses the largest collection of the artist's works in the world. Marvel at the vibrant colors and emotional brushstrokes that define Van Gogh's masterpieces. For a taste of the Dutch Golden Age, visit the Rijksmuseum, home to Rembrandt's famous The Night Watch, and countless other treasures. And don't miss the Stedelijk Museum, where you can explore modern and contemporary art in all its forms. But Amsterdam's art scene isn't limited to its museums. Take a stroll through the trendy Jordan neighborhood and discover a wealth of independent galleries showcasing the works of up-and-coming artists. The city's streets are also a canvas, with vibrant street art adorning many walls and buildings. Beyond the tourist hotspots, Amsterdam hides a treasure trove of lesser-known neighborhoods waiting to be explored. Head to De Piep, a lively district known for its vibrant market, cozy cafes, and diverse culinary scene. Enjoy a picnic in the beautiful Sarfata Park or mingle with the locals at one of the neighborhood's many bars. For a taste of Amsterdam's alternative scene, make your way to NDSM Wharf, a former shipyard turned creative hub. Here, you'll find quirky art installations, trendy cafes, and a vibrant community of artists and entrepreneurs. Amsterdam is full of hidden gems that often go unnoticed by visitors. Step off the beaten path and explore the Begijnhof, a hidden courtyard dating back to the 14th century. This peaceful oasis offers a glimpse into Amsterdam's past and is a perfect spot for quiet reflection. For a unique experience, visit the Electric Ladyland, the world's first museum dedicated to fluorescent art. Immerse yourself in a psychedelic world of glowing colors and surreal sculptures that will leave you mesmerized. Amsterdam is known as the cycling capital of the world, and it's not hard to see why. Bicycles are an integral part of the city's culture, and locals rely on them for daily transportation. Join the ranks of the two-wheeled enthusiasts and experience the city like a true Amsterdammer. Navigating Amsterdam's bike paths is a breeze, thanks to the city's well-developed cycling infrastructure. Pedal along the picturesque canals, explore the Vondelpark, or venture out to the charming villages on the outskirts of the city. With numerous bike rental options available, you'll have no trouble finding the perfect set of wheels to embark on your cycling adventure. When the sun goes down, Amsterdam comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. Whether it's cozy brown cafes, trendy cocktail bars, or bustling clubs, there's something to suit every taste. Head to Leidsplein or Rembrandtplein, the city's nightlife hubs, and discover an array of venues offering live music, DJ sets, and good times. Amsterdam offers more than just bars and clubs. Venture into the mysterious world of the Amsterdam Magic Show, where illusionists will leave you questioning reality. Or take a nighttime cruise along the canals, where you can enjoy a candlelit dinner while soaking in the enchanting ambience of the city at night. With its rich art scene, hidden gems, cycling culture, and vibrant nightlife, Amsterdam truly has something for everyone. Explore its diverse offerings and create unforgettable memories in this charming and lively city. In conclusion, Amsterdam stands as a city that effortlessly combines history, culture, and innovation. From its charming canals to its world-class museums and vibrant neighborhoods, Amsterdam offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Whether you find yourself exploring its architectural treasures, savoring its delectable cuisine, or immersing yourself in its vibrant art scene, Amsterdam never fails to impress. So, hop on a bike, wander the streets, and let Amsterdam's charm sweep you away as you create memories that will last a lifetime in this truly remarkable city. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Amsterdam and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.